Hello everybody, I'd like to invite you to the 28th Annual Dauphin Island Vintage Motorcycle Show, produced by the Mobile Bay Vintage Motorcycle Club. It's on April the 13th, 2025, and as you know, here on the Riding on a Budget channel, we're always looking for something fun to go to do that doesn't cost a lot of money, and this show is absolutely free to attend. If you have a vintage bike you'd like to enter, it's only $10 per bike, and there's 11 classes with first, second, and third place trophies. Your registration starts about 10, trophies are awarded around 3, and all the proceeds from the show go to the Dauphin Island Parks Department, which helps them maintain and upkeep their park, which is where this show is held. If you live in the Gulf Coast region, for example, the Panhandle of Florida, Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, or adjoining states, and would really like to have a nice ride going to a great event that supports a great group of people, come on down to the Dauphin Island Vintage Motorcycle Show and you'll have a great day. So until we see you then, ride safe and we'll see you down at the show.